Hey, tired of losses? Look at the screen, folks. This is feedback from my subscriber who decided to change his life to improve the quality of his trading strategy. He started using a smart AI assistant called FixProfit and quickly achieved really big profits. The bot is absolutely free. You can pick it up at the link in the description. After a month, you can only pick it up for a fee, so I recommend you hurry up. And to make sure you don't miss out on valuable new content, click on subscribe to the channel and on the bell. Give me a like and comment, it motivates me to keep going. The big advantage of the robot is that it is able to analyze not only the main market, but also the OTC market and give a profit on weekends and holidays, even at night. So, I just got a signal from the bot, lower. I entered the market on the 5-minute time frame, Euro, Turkish Lira OTC. I think that the sideways movement will continue and a slight increase in price will be followed by a decrease, because the sellers are stronger now than a few minutes ago. They stopped the bull's onslaught. Guys, within the base currency pairs, the frequency of data updates in the robot is 1 minute. In addition to the free bot at the link in the description, you will get a promo code for plus 100% to the deposit. So, for example, if you deposit $50, you will get $50 bonus on top of that. Or, for example, if you deposit $300, then on deposit you will have $600. Promo code works on the first deposit. Also, you will have access to VIP chat with my predictions and thoughts. I specially increased the price movement for easy viewing. The future of trading in a low-carbon economy. How currency markets will evolve. Before we dive into how the transition to a low-carbon economy will change currency trading, let's first talk about what keeps traders alive in any market: money management. You can have the best strategy, the most advanced indicators, and even real-time economic analysis, but if you don't manage your risk, none of it will matter. The golden rule of trading? Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your deposit on a single trade. Why? Because trading isn't about making one big win. It's about consistently executing smart trades over time. Think of it like the Hunger Games. The best competitors don't rush in hoping for an early win. They strategize, conserve their energy, and stay in the game long enough to outlast everyone else. That's exactly how successful traders operate. Now, let's talk about why deposit size matters. If your deposit is $100, you'll trade $1 per transaction, and your average profit will be 80 cents per trade. If your deposit is $1,000, you'll trade $10 per transaction, making $8 per trade. If your deposit is $10,000, you'll trade $100 per transaction, making $80 per trade. The bigger your deposit, the faster your account grows. This is how hedge funds, investment firms, and professionals think. They don't rely on hitting home runs, they scale, reinvest, and compound their profits over time. Now, let's talk about why the global shift toward a low-carbon economy is going to reshape trading in ways most people aren't ready for. The world is moving toward sustainable energy, reduced carbon emissions, and green technology, and this shift isn't just a political statement, it's an economic transformation that's changing how entire industries operate. Governments are setting carbon neutrality goals, corporations are being forced to adapt to green regulations, and financial institutions are redirecting trillions of dollars into sustainable investments. For traders, this is not just an environmental movement, it's a new economic landscape that will change how currencies behave. In the meantime, I close the trade in plus and again I get a signal from the bot. Lower, it's a different currency pair. Euro, Hungarian forint OTC. I am sure that now the bot again correctly understood the situation and I will get profit. This is a super high quality and useful tool to help you start earning. Profitability of signals from bot is on average 80%. Look at the channel with reviews, how much people earn, the link in the description. Friends, take part in our big contest with a prize of $1,000 for one random comment. The conditions are simple. Watch this video in its entirety, put a like, subscribe to the channel and write one comment on the topic of trading under this video. I will choose 2 winners using randomizer and publish the results in my Telegram channel, where our team also shares knowledge about trading and helps traders to learn. The link is in the description. Subscribe. The contest is held every week. As nations transition to low-carbon economies, their currencies will be directly impacted by how well they adapt. Countries investing heavily in renewable energy and sustainability will see stronger currencies. Nations that rely on fossil fuels and fail to adapt will face currency depreciation. Example: if the European Union continues leading the green economy, the euro could strengthen against currencies from countries that are slower to adopt renewable energy. This means that traders who understand green economic policies and carbon market regulations will be able to predict long-term currency movements before most of the market catches on. One of the biggest game changers in the low-carbon economy is the rise of carbon credit markets. Nations and corporations now trade carbon credits, a system where businesses that reduce carbon emissions can sell their unused carbon allowances to companies that exceed their emission limits. This means that countries with strict carbon policies and efficient green energy systems will benefit. Nations that rely on selling carbon credits could see their currencies affected by carbon pricing. Example: if China expands its carbon trading market, the demand for the Chinese yuan could increase, strengthening its position in currency markets. Traders who understand how carbon markets affect economies will be able to predict currency trends that most people overlook. For decades, currencies of oil exporting nations have been closely tied to the price of oil. But as the world shifts to renewable energy, demand for oil will decline. Oil-dependent economies that fail to adapt could see weaker currencies. Nations investing in green energy will gain a financial edge. Example: if the US becomes a global leader in solar and wind energy production, the dollar could gain strength as America reduces its reliance on oil imports. So, I've just completed the work. 2 accurate signals from the bot. The total profit amounted to $2,944. You have seen how fast FixProfit reaches its goals. Take it for free. The link is below the video. Subscribe. Bye.